Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Venmo to Coinbase. It is important to understand that a direct link between these two platforms does not exist. Instead, we will explore an effective indirect method. This approach involves using your existing bank account as a secure bridge. This ensures you can seamlessly transfer your funds, allowing you to move money from your Venmo balance to your bank and then onward to your Coinbase account for cryptocurrency activities. You might be wondering why you would want to connect these two services. Venmo excels at facilitating quick, social payments, while Coinbase is your gateway to the exciting world of cryptocurrency. By linking them indirectly, you gain the ability to leverage your Venmo funds for crypto investments. This strategy provides significant flexibility, allowing you to manage your digital assets more comprehensively and bridge the gap between everyday spending and the crypto market. The first step involves moving your funds from Venmo to your bank. Simply open the Venmo application on your phone. From your balance screen, select the Transfer to Bank option. You will then choose your preferred linked bank account and input the exact amount you wish to transfer. Remember, standard transfers are free but take about 1 to 3 business days. For quicker access, instant transfers are available for a small fee, usually 1.75% of the amount. After your funds have successfully arrived in your bank account, it is time to open the Coinbase application. Head over to the Add a Payment Method section within the app. Here, you will select Bank Account and securely link the very same bank account you used for your Venmo transfer. With your bank account connected, you can now easily deposit funds directly into your Coinbase balance, completing this indirect connection and enabling your cryptocurrency purchases.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.